There's the other rope underneath there.
Are you making some splashes, Addie? Go ahead and splash.
For fun?
Hey, is that a giraffe?
I think a giraffe right here. He's supposed to spray water, but the hose didn't connect very well.
What hose though?
I took it out.
You silly girl.
Dum 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 dum
Here, look, honey, don't put it real quick. Let me get it tied in.
Mommy.
Is it cool? See the steps? Can you step on that? Sit on your bottom.
Head first?
No.
Was that fun? Do it again?
Careful, you gotta go on your bottom.
Not the most solid slide in the world, is it?
Sit on your bottom.
Did she say get away, B? Why don't you help her out? There you go.
Fun?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There was a little beach ball that came with it.
Huh?
That I could have blown up, but I don't. She grabbed it and then I don't know what happened to it.
Why? What are you doing, Mommy? What are you doing, Mommy?
What are you doing? The butter cushion. No, leave those there.
Huh?
Leave those there.
Hey, man. What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm sitting here, Addie. You want to open this one? Did Mommy get you 2 toys? Did Mommy get you 2 toys?
Yeah.
Down the slide. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, ready? Hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Go.
Was that fun?
Again? Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Way up in the air. Hands up.
Whee!
Buster. That fun, Eddie?
Can you show me your bubbles now? Show me your bubbles. Show me those bubbles again. Don't drink it, blow bubbles. What is that, Addie? What is that? Is that a sprinkler? Is that a sprinkler? Oh, did it get you in the face? It's okay. You're all wet. There's your towel. There you go. That's good. You're dry. Don't pull it out.
What is that, Mommy?
No.
What is that, Mommy?
Put it back.
What is that?
It's a cap.
Why? What is that, Mommy?
It's for the bubbles.
Huh?
For the bubbles.